Some truths fade as we grow, some beliefs fade quietly, and somewhere between growing up and healing, here's a few things I stopped believing in. So hey guys, it's me one only Sanchi Khandelwal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm going to talk about the things I no longer believe in. So the first thing is I no longer believe in the concept of motivation because it's not real. It's just an illusion, trust me, okay? What do you mean? I just feel motivated for the next 10 minutes and then it just automatically fades away. I remember during my boards and CUET, I used to watch thousands and thousands of YouTube videos so that I could just study on my study table for hours without getting distracted. But nothing really happened. Discipline and consistency is what that takes over. Like I totally agree, motivation will make you start like तुम्हें कुछ होगा भाई मुझे करना है ठीक है. But actually discipline will make you continue. It will like keep you focused throughout your goal. I no longer believe in right person, wrong time, because if the person is truly right for you, then the time will never feel wrong. Because if you really want it, you will make it work no matter whatever the circumstances are, okay? You will make it work no matter how messy the situation is. Like I used to believe if the time was right, then it would have definitely worked out. But now I just believe that if the person was right, then the time would automatically have felt right. To be honest, it's sometimes not the wrong time but the wrong person. We just convince and tell ourselves so that we could just hold on to that situation for a little longer. A lot of you might disagree on this, but attachment is only beautiful until it starts hurting you. I have my reasons, let me please explain. You came to this earth alone and you have to go alone, okay? मतलब भाई तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, तुम आए अकेले तो तुम्हें जाना भी अकेले ही है, okay? And that's not even sad, it's the reality. The more we attach to people, the more we hand them the power to hurt us and control us. Matlab, you will just be a puppet, okay? They can just control you with strings because you are just attached to them and like you will do anything to let them stay. Like why to hurt yourself because of some other person? Like everybody have their free will, they can just go like this. Like I'm not saying that don't love or something, but don't just lose yourself in love, okay? Like even if the person leaves you, then it shouldn't affect you. Oh my god, this one. I used to avoid situations thinking that if I ignore them long enough, then they will just disappear. But it doesn't. Avoidance just delays your peace. मतलब भाई you're avoiding it to feel free, जिससे कि तुम्हें peaceful life मिले. But no, you will feel anxious all the time. You will feel stressful. तुम्हें लगेगा कि तुम कुछ गलत कर रहे हो कि something and you are just delaying it. I have learned it's better to face discomfort in the starting when it's small rather than letting it grow in your head. It's up to you. You have to face it now or you have to face it afterwards. मतलब जब बाद में करोगे जब तुम्हारे दिमाग में already बहुत सारी चीजें और चल रही है, so that's definitely not good. I no longer believe in the term validation. I have mentioned in my previous YouTube video that I used to crave for validation. Before posting even a single reel, I used to ask all of my friends that ये सही लग रहा है, सही लग रहा है, सही लग रहा है, okay? I never used to think of myself. I was like, if people are liking it, then I have to make it like to myself. मतलब भाई मैं अपनी खुद की preference list पे सबसे नीचे आती थी, but now I'm like, I don't care. I like to post, I'm posting it. I like to make this kind of content, I'm making it, and you're seeing it. Just remember, the moment you start living for others' approval, the moment you stop living for yourself. I don't believe in the term loneliness. You can never be lonely if you don't want to be, okay? You should have the mentality that you have yourself. You have your own company, you have your own comfort, you have your own home. You have everything on your own, then why to feel lonely? Once you start to enjoy your own company, people will start enjoying with you. Once you start to like yourself and respect yourself, then people will respect you even more. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I know this video was like really random and spontaneous. I was like, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आएगा, I will just say that, and मैंने legit वही करा है, okay? Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. This is me, Sanchi Khandelwal, signing off. Bye bye.